my beautiful people, welcome to day 3 of our belly fat blasting challenge. Today we're working on that lower bulge, so let's get right into it. First exercise are good mornings, all right? Reaching up, all the way up, and then through your legs, all right? Open, 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 nice little back bend, and then coming down, reaching through your legs, or for the floor, your shin, your knees, whatever is comfortable for you. All right, we're using our lower belly and our back to go up and down. All right, nice straight back. All right, coming up and down. See, straight, straight, straight until you have to bend. Very good. This is also a good warm up. They're called good mornings for a reason. Great to do in the morning. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Come down. Next, we have a pull down march. Arms up and then pulling down as your knee comes up with a nice flexed foot. All right, so here, crunch, up, straight, crunch. Very good. Remember when you come up not to open up anymore, all right? That was for our first exercise. Now we're keeping a straight spine. All right, closing that rib cage here, straight, not like this. Boom, lock it in. All right, tucking in that tummy and your butt. Very good. Inhale as you extend up, exhale as you come in. Very good. And 3, 2, 1, and shake it off. Very good. Next, we have a knee drive. One side, a little lunge, hands out here, hands meet knee. Boom, boom, boom. All right, if this is a little bit too much for you, go ahead, hold on to a wall or a chair, all right, for a little stability. And there you go, all right? Or instead of coming over too much, make that lunge a little smaller. Boom. You can come down here, right? Just find something that works for you. But really, boom, drive that knee. Go, go, go. Very good. And 3, 2, 1, and other side. Big breath. Awesome job. If you want to do something even more different, a different variation, or just thinking, you could do some lunge step backs, all right? Stay here in that narrow squat, step back together, step back, all right? You're using that core to help stabilize and move your leg back and forth. And 3, 2, 1, center, very good, shake it off. Last exercise of set 1, we have straight leg lifts. Big breath. Very good. So they look as they sound. Straight leg lift, all right? Using that lower belly to lift your leg, all right? So we're not coming down to our leg. We stay nice and straight. Use that lower belly to boom, up, and then back down. Other side. Slower, the harder it is, all right? Because you're balancing. And what do we use to balance? Our core, all right? So check in on your core. Is it nice and tight, engaged, tucked in? If you need to, go ahead, hold on to something for balance, and you'll get stronger and more centered over time with practice. Breathe. And 3, 2, 1, and together. Great job. Set 1 done and dusted. We're going right into set 2. Good mornings. Let's get it. And 3, 2, 1, center, come down, very good. Next, pull down marches, let's get it. And 3, 2, 1. Center, release. Very good. Big breath. Knee drive one side. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Center, other side. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Center. Very good. Wiggle it out. Straight leg lifts. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Together, round of applause. Great job. Big breath. One more set to go. Good mornings. Let's get it. And 3, 2, 1. Center. Come down. Very good. Next, pull down marches. Let's get it. And 3, 2, 1. Center, release. Very good. Big breath. Knee drive one side. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Center, other side. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Center. Very good. Wiggle it out. Straight leg lifts. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. And there we have it, 3 sets of our lower belly bulge workout for today, day 3 of our challenge. Let me know what you thought. Which move was your favorite? How are you enjoying the challenge so far? And how excited are you for tomorrow, day 4 with Coach Greg? See you there.